Exchange.
Working hard. Look at her working hard on her car. What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. We out here about to install these tire letters on B, which is the 392 Scatpack. I'll let you guys see what they look like. All the pieces. It's supposed to say Queen B. So that's what it looked like. Of course, we had to get it in blue. What's going on here? We already done wiped it down, or she wiped it down. I'm just gonna rough them up with the sandpaper. And then we are going to apply these. You guys know this is a long, tedious process. I hate it. We need some scissors, babe.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to cut it. Since they put this thing in two pieces, I'm gonna have to cut to make sure it lines up. The correct spacing. But I think it's gonna turn out great. It's been a minute since this car had tire lettering on it. I used to have what I had, Beta Scat and then SRT powered on this car, but once I swapped the tires, I didn't put no more tire lettering on because they're a pain to deal with as far as cleaning. She's gonna find out firsthand, but whatever she wants, she get. She wanted the tire lettering. It says Queen B. She also has a banner that I'm gonna get put on eventually. She has a banner right here. I don't know why she just threw this in here on it. Like, this don't matter. This is the banner right here. On the banner, it says Queen B. It's pretty close in color. It's not exact, but it's pretty close. But it's from my sponsor, AA Designs Co. So you can look them up on my Instagram page. I think I got them on there as sponsors. Make sure you use my code to get a discount. But yeah, we get ready to get this installed and we're gonna see how it looks. I'm not gonna sit here and let you guys sit here and watch me put on each piece. I'm probably gonna show you guys each tire as I'm done, so stay tuned. Did they beep to pick somebody up, or they was beeping at us?
I think they were just beeping to pick somebody up. Because somebody was behind. There was two people and one was just sitting there.
All right, we got one side done on each wheel. I just got to remove the plastic on here. Trying to let them dry. I let it sit a little longer. This is one with the plastic taken off. You see it says Queen B. On the other side. You see I got it on there. Just got to take the plastic off. So we halfway there. Got one set on each wheel. So we almost there. Probably another 30 minutes. And I should be done. Look good so far. All right, guys, we got the car completely done. There's a couple pieces that need to be re-glued, pushed on, like right here. A couple little pieces, but overall, looks great. Let you guys see the front. It's been a minute since we had tire lettering, so I think I will be getting some soon as well. Can't have her just ride around stunting on me. Look good. Still letting this side dry. That's why you see it's still on there. I'll let that dry. Then I'll peel it. We already peeled this one right here. She's going down a few pieces. I'm taking her little plastic off. Overall, guys, this thing look great. If you're trying to do tire lettering, just understand it's a pain in the butt to clean, but it's worth doing. It makes the car stand out, makes it look good. So once the car is clean, it's gonna look good. Right now it's super dirty. I still love that blue paint though. But yeah, we're gonna clean her up. Not today, maybe sometime this week. All right, guys, it's finished product. Like I said, it's pretty easy to put on tire lettering, but you gotta go heavy, heavy, heavy on the glue. You gotta go heavy on the glue, because if not, once you pull off the plastic, some of your pieces will come up and you'll have to re-glue them. But it's way easier to do it if you take off the wheels. Yet I didn't have time to take off the wheels, nor do I have a jack to take it off. I gotta buy me a new jack. But looks good. Overall good look on the car.